Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see they came in yesterday. They just bought the dip. So they make a new all-time high. They jam it down to 78.25. Things look good there for the bears for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so, half an hour if you include the move down. And then they come in and they buy it, and they close it back above 3,900, 3,908. It doesn't threaten the 9-day. It doesn't threaten the mid-band. It basically doesn't threaten anything. And after taking out the round number 3,900 by 22 handles, they trip over a blade of grass, fall on their face, and end up, closing it. They didn't close it green, but pretty close. And you're seeing today, we're up about 11 handles. It's traded as high as 39.18 half. Your low, your lows 38.95. So again, defending the roundie. Hourly chart, compression, expansion, rejection, and then we just keep creating higher lows. We spent the last 8 hours or so above the hourly mid-band. You see the 9-day down here. It's a situation where if the bears don't figure out a way to print stuff with 38s on it, you're going to end up with some very directional pricing today into tomorrow to the upside. They will take out 39.28 half. They will go to work on 39.40 to 39.50. Because now, any argument that it's parabolic, it has to retest 3,900, it's too much too fast, it's all these things. They shaved 50 handles off it. And they bounced it again. And I'm not some perma bull. Look, we were short. It was awesome. I would love nothing better than to get into a series of trend down days. It's the easiest thing in the world to trade, which is why everybody is a bear all the time and wants to have shorts and the thrill of the spill and Wile E. Coyote off a cliff and the whole thing, because my cat could trade that, okay? Everything else is hard. It's hard to come in every day and say, this is bullshit, buy the dip. Hold it and head higher. The bear case always makes a lot more sense, but it always makes you a lot less money. So don't be one of these people that fights price all the way, and you need this candle right here, assuming you even did it right, to get almost sort of, but not really back to even from all of the top calling that you've done for the last, however many sessions. That's one step forward and like 4 steps back. And the results in your account probably reflect that. Hourly midband, 39.0840. VWAP, basically 39.10. Madonna's at 15. 5-minute mids at 15. Daily pivot, 39.05. So, look. You've got some stuff. You got the daily pivot sitting below hourly mid. You've got more stuff above, and then you have the round number. I think a dip down to the hourly mid that holds might be a decent opportunity to buy. If they can convert the hourly mid band to resistance and they can break 3,900, maybe we go down and we start challenging some things. The one thing that the bears did accomplish yesterday was what we talked about in the webcast, which is they did a lower low versus the prior day low. They can't hold it. They can't hold it. If they can somehow challenge this low from yesterday and break it, even if it ends up being bounced, then what you've got is a lot of steady price push down and, just throwing everything but the kitchen sink at it to defend it. That only lasts so long. That'll give us a little bit of a deeper pullback. But absent that dynamic, good luck, bears. I wish you the best of luck. They need to have a day. And look, bulls, you didn't have a good day yesterday. You can't take the day off. The sooner you take out that 29.5, the sooner you're going to scare the rest of them out of the pool, and then we're dealing with things like 39.40 to 39.50. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. If you're having the problems that I mentioned during the course of this webcast and you want a place to come in and fix them, come check out the room. That's what we do. Take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.